Hello, good morning, Oliver Lepke here. Today I want to show you how to make a quick, easy, fast breakfast under 60 seconds. That's under 1 minute. That is tasty, that is actually healthy. So I want to show you that. Few ingredients to keep in mind is our Forever Lite and aloe peaches. So let me set up things here and let me start the watch or clock timer. Here we go. Let's see how this works. This aloe peaches, clock, strawberries ready to go, and almond milk. So I have some ready strawberries to go. I'm adding almond milk. I will also add some aloe peaches today, like this, and one of the main ingredients, Forever Lite. And Forever Lite is basically a vanilla shake, so you add 2 scoops of this vanilla shake, and this will add 15 grams of protein. So this is important. You get all nutrition, you get 15 grams of protein, you get everything that your body needs without carbs. So this is awesome. And some ground flaxseed. I love that. Sorry, I was interrupted by a phone call, so I'm back and blending. Boom, done. Look, under 60 seconds. Fantastic. And look, isn't this awesome? Absolutely awesome. So delicious and tasty. Cheers. You should try this.